You do your best. Swap the filter. Book a tune-up here and there. But somehow, your heating or cooling still breaks down. Usually right when you need it most. And the repair? Always pricey. Always stressful. That's why we created MapleCare. A simple plan that takes care of your home's heating and cooling before something goes wrong. With MapleCare, you're covered with the following. One checkup every year for each system to keep things running smoothly. Unlimited service calls. Just call us when something feels off and we'll come over to take a look. Repair coverage when something breaks. We've got your back. Replacement parts coverage, so you're never stuck. No stress. No surprises. Just comfort that works when you need it. Talk to a MapleCare specialist today and see which plan is right for your home. MapleCare. Heating and cooling made simple.